In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Hostinger cPanel and access the cPanel to manage your hosting plan. Whether you're a beginner or someone familiar with hosting services, this guide is here to offer you clear instructions to help you navigate through the process efficiently. First things first, let's get started by logging into the Hostinger cPanel. cPanel. This is your main control center for managing all your services with Hostinger. Open up your preferred web browser and simply head over to Hostinger's website. Once you're there, locate the login section on the home page. If you've already set up your account, use the registered email and password combination to access your cPanel. In the chance that you're unable to recall your credentials, there's an option to reset your password. So don't worry, you can retrieve your access with ease. Once you're logged into your Hostinger account, you'll be greeted by the cPanel dashboard. This is where you'll find all the tools and services laid out in a user-friendly manner. Now, to proceed further, we need to focus on the hosting section. On the cPanel dashboard, look for the hosting tab, which is usually prominently displayed and easy to find. After you've located the hosting section, go ahead and click on it. This action will present you with a list of your current hosting plans. If you have multiple plans under your account, you'll see them all listed here. Take a moment to identify the hosting plan you'd like to manage. Once you've pinpointed the right plan, simply click on your selection. With your hosting plan now selected, direct your attention to the Manage button and click it. This button essentially opens up a suite of management tools and options related to your specific hosting plan. Here you get the chance to perform actions like installing WordPress, adding email accounts, or handling databases, among other things. Next up, our aim is to access the cPanel, which provides you with deeper control over your hosting settings. On the Manage page that you just navigated to, look for a link that reads either cPanel or Control Panel. The exact wording might vary depending on updates or specific configurations, but the link usually stands out and is relatively easy to spot. By clicking on the cPanel or Control Panel link, you'll be seamlessly directed to the cPanel interface. This panel is filled with a variety of features and configurations aimed at giving you comprehensive control over your website. From creating databases, managing files, to installing applications, everything is accessible at your fingertips. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into Hostinger's cPanel and navigated to the cPanel to manage your hosting plan. Feel free to explore and make the most of the features available to optimize your website's performance. Thanks for tuning into today's video, and see you next time.